Hello from the Bureau. Angus here on your Wednesday midweek weather update. Let's check out what's going on for the next few days as we roll in towards the weekend. There is a front crossing the southern states and some warmer weather on the way. Not so much this week, but certainly by the time we reach the weekend. On the pressure map, the main feature at the moment is this cold front in the south. It did move through Perth overnight last night, brought quite a solid dose of rain as well, particularly to the southern suburbs. But for the rest of the day on Wednesday and then on Thursday, it will move eastwards through the Great Australian Bight, reaching southern parts of South Australia, including Adelaide on Thursday morning. Some gusty winds and a few showers across the south there. And then Thursday evening, the same feature will reach Tasmania and push a few showers across Victoria as well. So a spot of wet weather to finish for Melbourne and Hobart. Elsewhere though, away from this cold front, it's all about the belt of high pressure across these latitudes here, bringing settled, clear and sunny weather to New South Wales and South Australia once that front has gone, as well as most of Western Australia. The only other spot to watch out for in terms of rainfall over the next few days is the Queensland coastline, as we get one of these onshore easterly flows developing that pushes just a few showers from the ocean onto the land. No heavy rainfall anticipated there, and the showers will be generally quite light and sparse, but the risk is there for a spot of wet weather on Friday, then again Saturday, then again Sunday, all the way from Brisbane up to the North Tropical Coast. The totals will be light though. Here's a look actually at rainfall totals for the next few days, and there's a couple of spots that could see some modest falls. Perhaps the North Tropical Coast of Queensland as well as the Central Highlands might get 25 or 30 millimetres, but the rest of the state it's likely to be less than 10. And for the southern half of Australia, with that front moving through, looks like a good bit of rain here around Perth. Most of that has actually already fallen on Wednesday, so in the days to come it's really this rainfall here, maybe 2 to 10 millimetres for parts of South Australia, a touch more possible on the peninsulas, and not even that, 5 millimetres or less across Victoria. Western parts of Tasmania, particularly in the hills, could see 25, but for this time of year that is absolutely nothing unusual. Perhaps what might be more of interest will be the temperatures over the next few days. This is Thursday morning. Still some cold, frosty temps around New South Wales and ACT, with a -3 in Canberra. Much more mild elsewhere. But while we're looking at Thursday morning, I thought I'd show you this map here, which is showing visibility at the surface. And when we've got low visibility, like we do through patchy parts of Queensland, New South Wales and Tasmania, it means one of two things. Either it's raining and the visibility is falling because of that, but in this case, we're not anticipating any rain in these areas, so it's more than likely coming about because of fog. So there will be some patchy fog around for eastern parts of the country again on Thursday, much like there has been over the last couple of mornings. Thursday afternoon will be a mild day for many, with temperatures near average almost across the board, one or two places a little above average across Australia, but everywhere on the map 15 degrees or higher for Thursday afternoon. And we see the warming trend start to kick in on Friday. Not as cold in the morning. Temperatures generally a couple of degrees warmer than they have been for the week so far. And the same idea on Friday afternoon. A little bit more mild than what we've seen through the week so far. This is up to Friday though, but I will give you a couple of extra days because this is where we start to see the temperature evolve a little bit. Saturday, it warms in the west, and we're going to see that usual pattern where Western Australia is the first place to get the warming. Saturday, warmer in the west, still quite mild further east, but Sunday, the warmth from the west does start to spread across the eastern states. Temperatures up to 25 degrees through much of South Australia, into the low 20s for New South Wales, high teens in the southeast, and that warming trend is only going to continue with Monday and Tuesday next week looking to be the warmest days we've had across southern Australia in quite some time. So to see what that means for your temperature, find your local spot at the Bureau website and app. Thanks for checking in. Have a fabulous day.